Welcome to our manufacturing site in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, the primary provider of atomic layer deposition materials for the semiconductor industry. Meaning, our products are applied atom by atom and work their magic on the nanometer scale in the wafer production process. But that's not all. Our Kaohsiung site is also a major hub worldwide for production and customer support. The semiconductor industry is a critical sector for modern technology and future digitalization. As microchip technology advances, the manufacturing process becomes increasingly complex and requires sophisticated and ultra-pure gases and chemicals. These substances must be safely stored in specialized containers before being applied to the wafer production process. For us, as a material provider with a strong sustainability focus, it's important to reuse these specialized containers for the next batch of products, while meeting the customer's special needs and ensuring the highest level of safety, cleanliness, and quality. This requires a great deal of knowledge and expertise. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Once the containers are used by our customers, they are sent back to our site to be ready for reuse. They go through a rigorous cleaning process to remove any residue, ensuring no compromise to our material quality. Our specification maintains deposition materials with parts per trillion levels of impurities. To put it simply, it's like a drop of water in 20 Olympic-sized swimming pools. The consumables like valves are replaced as needed during maintenance to ensure safety. They are then leak tested with helium during preparation to ensure their integrity before being filled. Pressurization, heating, and other necessary measures are also important in this phase. Steps 3 and 4 ensure that our containers are tailored to our customers' specific manufacturing processes. The final step is filling. The containers are filled with our product and ready to be reused. With localized manufacturing and a comprehensive container management system, we substantially reduce our supply chain's carbon footprint. We do our best to consider sustainability in all dimensions of our work every day, and that also includes the way we design our sustainable containers.